2 days ago in our Bitcoin I Hope You're Ready video, we ended up predicting that the market had a very high chance, a 72% chance that we were going to move to the upside. And that is exactly what happened. Our account grew $43,000 in the last 12 hours. And we ended up putting $10,000 into the market because of the signal that we got. What I'm doing is I'm using an indicator called the breakout detector. When the breakout detector is low, where it says it's in the breakout zone, guys, this is where you need to pay attention. Now, just because the breakout zone is hit, it doesn't tell you which way the market's going to go. It just says a big move in the market is about to happen. So what do? We use an indicator called trades in favor, which tells us, is there more short trade favor or long trade favor in the market? And it gives you an accurate reading that displays a percentage probability of a pump or a drop. Now, coming back over here, we see that the breakout detector is very low. Do we have more favor for long trades, or do we have more favor for short trades during this time? Clearly, we have more favor for long trades. So anybody who got into the market based off consolidation, because that's when the fastest moves happen, you guys made a ton of money. Now, looking at this over here, when we initially dipped down into the breakout zone, was the trades in favor higher or lower? It was clearly higher. This resulted in very fast moves back down. And again, you guys making a lot of money. The third time this happened, we can see over here coming into the breakout zone, if you move up here, there was a higher trades in favor reading saying that you have a higher probability of going down in the market with the consolidation. That is exactly what happened. And again, not to sound like a broken record, you guys made a lot of money to the downside. Yet again, we saw this 2 days ago. We were in the breakout zone and we were clearly sitting down here at a 76% chance of a pump. And what do? We put $10,000 into the market on this red candle here. And what are we waking up to this morning? $43,000 of more profit in our account because we followed these indicators. We are also following these indicators, and we won another trade, and it placed us at 190 wins and 0 losses. Guys, take a moment today. In the description, there is a fire emoji. Grab the indicators, okay? I'm going to show you guys more data here because I think you want to understand where we're going next. Take a look at this. I also mentioned to you guys in a few videos that we believe that we were going to come back down to test the descending support, and then we were going to see the move back up. This was for BlackRock, for Grayscale, as well as Fidelity. And that's what we got this morning, guys. And also, we have the descending channel pattern, which is bullish, the descending wedge pattern, which is incredibly bullish, and another descending wedge pattern on Fidelity, which 85% of the time, this will move to the upside. Now, where do I think we're heading next? Well, if we look at high volume nodes here, I do think there's a high probability that I'll use BlackRock, for example. We're going to move up to previous structure high. Why do I think we're going to move up here? Because we've already cleared all the barriers in the way. I mentioned this to our members, and I'm glad you guys were able to watch this. If you guys entered into the market with me, great job. I mentioned that if we come up here and we break through this resistance where up to 64,000, there's $3.5 billion worth of liquidity. Once you break this, it's pretty much a blue sky to the upside. Based off this new data, there is a higher probability now, looking at simple liquidity, that we come up here and we actually take out liquidity at $65,000 up to $66,000 now. And if we're going to be pushing up, guys, where does more liquidity sit? To the upside all the way up here to the top points about 67? Or does it sit down here at 60? It's at 67. And if I take you guys even to the 3-month time frame, all of the liquidity, the massive amount of liquidity sits from where price is currently at all the way up to $75,000, and it is quite sparse all the way down to 50,000. If you take a look at the overarching pattern that is on Bitcoin, it is a massive bull flag. Great job for everybody using the indicators. I'll walk you guys through real quick and show you how to get this. Click on the link in the description. It's got a fire emoji. Go to indicators. What I showed you guys today was the trades in favor, the breakout detector, and I showed you guys price for swell money flow. You guys get color changing support and resistance lines, first ever coded on TradingView, as well as another indicator called trend dashboard. Here's the deal, guys. Grab it for 60% off. But if you become a member, we'll give you an extra $150 off the 60% off. And then on top of that, we'll give you $400 off the top and bottom finder. That top and bottom finder, guys, has been what we've been using to call our trade setups out where we are 190 wins and 0 losses. When you guys check out, you will get the source codes to put on TradingView. There is a link to show you guys a video of how to do that. If you need help, email us at btradeconfident. I'll go to the bottom here. You guys can see all the testimonials here if you guys would like. Email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com, and I'll help you guys put these indicators on your TradingView charts. People are making great money with these indicators, and I'm trying to prove this to you guys by showing you past calls we've made that have come true. I'm trading my own live account here, up $43,000 in 12 hours, and I really think you guys need to get your hands on these. You will experience better trading when you start using better tools. I love you guys. Have a great day, and it looks like the predictions so far are coming true. Bye, guys.